Well, that's depressing. Alright, so I got into a rear end collision yesterday, and it's kind of bad. Not gonna lie, it's kind of bad. But I do see that this is just a dent on a plastic bumper. So I looked online and I was just thinking, what methods can I use to attempt to fix this on my own without buying a whole new bumper? And I realized that you can use hot water, boiling hot water. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I removed the bumper. It was actually pretty easy because half of the bolts were already gone due to the collision, sadly, or fortunately, I guess. But here's the damage. It's not too bad. And if you could see, this took the damage, the little foam pad that they have underneath. Both sides look pretty damaged. I mean, it's a foam pad. Let it get hit, honestly. That's all I gotta say. But this is the part that makes a car go salvage. If this is ruined, it's called, I think it's called like the bash bar or something like that. So if that's ruined, then that means your car is salvage. But if you look at the edge right here, this looks identical to the other side. So thank the Lord it was just the bumper cover. Now we just gotta wait for this water to boil. Once this thing is scalding hot, boiling bubbles everywhere, we're just gonna run down, splash a third of the pan, or what is this, the pot? Splash a third of the pot down. Try to even out the bump. Hopefully it looks good. It won't look like new, but it'll look normal, passable. After about 15 minutes, the water's scalding hot. Dare I say, can I put my finger in there? Yeah, it's pretty hot. Okay, let's do this. Alright, here we go. So now I have hot water here. Ooh, you can see it. Oh, baby. Oh, that's hot. You see it? Got hot water. Got the bumper. It's time. Working. Just a little bit more. Oh, baby. This actually works. Look at all this water. My goodness. You guys ready for the big reveal? I don't think you guys are ready. Boom! Look at that, dude. Where was the crash? Oh, you mean the dirty side? Yeah, that's where the crash was. It's right here. But look at that, dude. You saw it in the beginning. If you look very close up, you'll see little dings and dents. But this looks like it'll just come off with a little bit of tender love and care. But hey, I saw new ones for $350 painted, and I'm just thinking, do I need to spend that much? Or can I just like DIY it? And honestly, I'll do a side-by-side right now. Dude, this is passable. I'm living with it. And check it out. So I ran out of screws, so now I'm using zip ties to hold things together. Hopefully I don't get into another fender bender, or else literally the whole bumper will fall off. So I have like 3 bolts holding it together. But yeah, that's it, boys. I'll do a before and after picture, and that's that.